Since we first appeared on this planet, humans have been producing waste. At the start of the 21st century, most of the world's waste is still treated as it always has been, just thrown away, more often than not ending up as landfill. We can't go on like this. It's just not sustainable. Landfill is expensive, wasteful of natural resources and damaging to our environment. It produces significant amounts of greenhouse gases like methane. But it doesn't have to be this way. New technologies and approaches mean we can change the way we handle our waste. And that's good news, not just for us, but for the whole planet. If we don't change how we manage waste, we'll not meet tough new targets, such as those set out in the European Landfill Directive. Failure could lead to substantial fines, as much as an extra £100 every year for every household rates bill across the North West. The good news, though, is that waste doesn't have to be viewed as waste anymore. New technology means that waste can be treated as a valuable resource. As we'll see, instead of throwing it away, waste can be used to generate energy in new and innovative ways, which are sustainable and protect the environment.
The North West Region Waste Management Group is a collaboration of 7 councils who have come together to find a solution to the whole problem of waste within the region of the North West.
In a global sense, waste is a really important issue. If we are going to live within what the planet can afford by the time there are 9 billion of us in the year 2050, we've got to take resource efficiency seriously.
The 3 R's campaign is being increasingly successful. Citizens are now reducing, they are reusing and they're recycling.
The trajectory in terms of improvement in Northern Ireland, particularly on the work that local authorities have done with their local communities to improve recycling, unmatched anywhere else in the United Kingdom. Great performance. We've got an enormous amount more to do. There's still a reliance on landfill in Northern Ireland. About 2/3 of our waste still goes to landfill, and that doesn't match up as well as it does to the rest of near Europe.
If we don't try to reach the targets set by Europe, we would be faced with infraction fines that would be equal to £500,000 per day to be fined from ratepayers.
So after we've prevented waste, after we've recycled our socks off, there will always be a residue that we've got to do something else with. That thing is increasingly going to be recovering energy from it.
We certainly would be seeking to have a final bidder by the early summer of 2011 and have the infrastructure in place by 2014.
There's a whole range of ways of getting the energy value back out of our real residues. Everything from brewing the waste in an anaerobic digester through to using very high technology processes like gasification.
The benefits of achieving the infrastructure project: we will have a cleaner, greener place to live. We will have avoided infraction fines of £500,000 per day. We certainly won't be looking for the money to pay extra landfill tax, and as a result, everybody will benefit.